Hi guys and welcome back to my channel, and for today's video may bago na naman tayong i-unbox and i-review. Ito nga si Realme Narzo 30A, ang newest smartphone from Realme Narzo series. For the price na 6,490, may gaming phone ka na? Tara, subukan natin kung ano nga bang meron kay Realme Narzo 30A. Alright, si Realme Narzo 30A ay available in two colors, si Laser Black and si Laser Blue. And both have 4GB of RAM and 64GB of internal storage. And this one that we have right now, ayan, eto si Realme Narzo 30A Laser Blue. And at this moment, let me show you what's in the box of Realme Narzo 30A. Dito nakapaloob yung included yung ating quick guide and yung important information guide. Then ito na yung phone. Pero buksan muna natin yung susunod. Yung charger. Grabe. Pulito si Realme magbalot. Nahirapan na mag-unbox na. Ayan. Yung ating USB cord na Type-C. Ayan. Naka-Type-C na si Realme Narzo 38. Oh, buti naman kasi obsolete na yung micro USB. Era na ng Type-C. Saan yung ating eject? Ayun. Nandito pala yung ating SIM ejector or yung ating tusok-tusok. Ayan. So, ito siya. Sarap hawakan. Oh, yung texture niya sa likod, guys, hindi siya madulas. So, okay na okay to para sa mga gamer na pasmado or mga waterbender. Kagaya ko. Ayan o. Good. Then yung design, nakikita niyo ba? May hati ng portion dito, plain, and then dito makikita mo yung pattern niya. Okay, so for now, set up ko muna to and then balikan ko kayo for my review. Okay, let's talk about the design. First na mapapansin nyo kay Realme Narzo 30A ay yung diagonal stripe niya sa likod. Ayan. And isa to sa mga nagustuhan ko kay Realme Narzo 30A dahil napaka-helpful niya para sa mga gamer o users na mayroong waterfall sa kamay. Kasi nakakadagdag grip yung design niya sa likod, and hindi rin nagkakaroon ng fingerprint smudge. Realme Narzo 30A has 6.5 inches mini drop full screen where the selfie cam is also located. It also has 6.48 inches by 2.99 inches and thickness of 0.39 inches. So kung mapapansin nyo, meron siyang kakapalan. At the right side, nandun yung power button and yung volume tracker. At the left side naman, nandun yung dual SIM card tray and yung microSD card slot, which is expandable up to 256GB. At the bottom part naman, makikita mo yung 3.5mm audio jack, microphone, USB-C port, and yung kanyang speaker. And if you notice, may kakapalan pa yung bezel ni Realme Narzo 30A Ganun din yung kanyang chin dito sa baba. At the back, located yung 13 megapixel AI camera and yung 2 megapixel monochrome camera plus yung fingerprint scanner niya. For the display, Realme Narzo 30A is equipped with IPS LCD with up to 570 nits of brightness and 60 Hz refresh rate. It's IPS kaya pag nasa labas ka, especially if you are in direct sunlight, medyo challenging na makita yung display niya kasi nga up to 570 nits lang yung maximum brightness niya. Yung mismong display niya ay 6.5 inches. And for the resolution, meron siyang 720 by 1600 or HD+. Also, Realme Narzo 30A runs with Android 10 and Realme UI. Realme Narzo 30A has 4GB of RAM and 64GB of internal storage, and it's also powered by Helio G85 chipset. Anong meron kay G85? Helio G85 is a mobile-focused gaming chipset together with the GPU Mali G52. Sa Mobile Legends, capable siya into high settings only. So, ulitin ko hanggang high lang siya, hindi kaya yung ultra. Next, sa Wild Rift, kinaya niya up to 60 FPS. Yun nga lang, mapapansin mo na meron siyang minimal frame drops. And for the Call of Duty, for the graphic quality, up to medium lang yung kaya niya. And for the frame rate, abot hanggang high. And for the game experience, kaya naman, smooth naman yung paggamit mo sa kanya. And kung tatanungin niyo ako about heating, hindi masyado nag-init si Narzo 30A. But of course, if you are using data while gaming, dun mo mararamdaman na mayroong pag-init. Pero, hindi naman din siya ganun katagal. But it's normal para sa mga smartphones na uminit pag nag-games ka, lalo na at naka-data ka. For the Antutu benchmark test, Realme Narzo got a score of 205,418, which is sakto lang for a budget phone. In terms of connection, Realme Narzo 30A supports up to 4G network. So, hindi pa siya naka 5G. And understandable naman kasi budget phone siya. And 4G network is not that bad. And Philippines or our country is not yet fully covered by 5G. I tried playing games using data, GOMO to be specific. And hindi ko na-experience yung lag or disconnection or yung tinatawag na nagki-Christmas light yung ping mo, lalo na sa Mobile Legends. Hindi, naglalaro yung ping ko about 70 ms to 62. Yan. Diyan lang siya. 70 yung maximum ko. But of course, it will always depend upon your network provider and yung location mo. By the way guys, capable din si Realme Narzo 30A ng reverse charging. Ibig sabihin, pwede mo siyang gawing power bank. Basta meron ka ng adapter, then you are good to go na. For the camera, Realme Narzo 30A has 8 megapixel selfie camera. And at the rear, nandun naman yung 13 megapixel AI camera and the 2 megapixel monochrome camera. For taking videos, capable si Realme Narzo 30A ng 1080p with 30 FPS. And opening the camera, makikita mo yung night, video, photo, portrait mode, and under ng more, nandun yung time-lapse, slow-mo, expert, and the pano or panorama. Okay yung timpla ng colors and malaking tulong yung tinatawag na chroma boost para mas ma-enhance yung vibrance ng kuha ng camera. So, here are the sample shots using Realme Narzo 30A. Sample video shot using Realme Narzo 30A. This phone, the Realme Narzo 30A, has a huge battery capacity of 6,000 mAh with 18 watts quick charge Type-C charger. 6,000 mAh para sa isang budget phone, guys. Napakagandang feature na yun para sa isang budget phone. Makakapaglaro ka ng matagal and Kung maganda yung bibigay sa'yo ng Moon Toon, kung Mobile Legends na nilalaro mo, makakapag-rank ka ng dire-diretso. Malay mo, mag-mythical glory ka na agad. To fully charge, inabot ako ng 4 hours and 5 minutes. And for length of use, I used the phone around 1:50 AM with 50% battery charge and empty siya noong 6:55 PM. So that's a total of 17 hours and 5 minutes of using the phone. All throughout, kasama na doon yung pagtetest ko sa gaming, camera, and pagkalikot ng mismong phone. Shoutout kay Joseph Mendoza. Yan. And shoutout din kay Shiben Carl De La Rosa and kay Mars Jesus. And also, thank you rin dito sa aking online friend. Wala pa nung almost ilang dekada na. Kalaro ko pa siya doon sa Gaya Online, si Ange. Ayan, meron siyang YouTube channel, ilalagay ko rin dyan sa description. And if you want, please do subscribe. And sa iba rin na patuloy na sumusuporta sa channel natin at nanonood. Thank you for continuously supporting and watching my video. And yeah, ayusin pa natin to habang tumatagal. So kung napansin nyo nga, may pagbabago ng konti para mas maganda yung audio quality. Diba? Ulit, thank you for supporting and yeah. Marami pa tayong gagawin next video. And now we're on the conclusion kung saan sasabihin ko yung pros and cons ng Realme Narzo 30A. And for the pros is the design. Kaya nung nasabi ko, yung design na diagonal stripe sa likod is very ergonomic para sa mga users na pasmado or na water bender. Of course, kung maglalaro ka tapos wala kang case, laking tulong nung ganitong klaseng design kasi hindi dudulas sa kamay mo. Another one is the Helio G85 chipset niya na design for gaming. Together with the battery na kung pakunatan ng usapan, Realme Narzo 30A is on the list. And lastly, for the pros is yung price niya. For 6,490, Realme Narzo 30A is a good catch. For the cons, first is yung display niya. Since naka-IPS pa siya, hindi ganoon kaliwanag yung screen. So medyo challenging yung pagka nasa labas ka. Lalo na pagka-tirik yung araw. Dahil up to 570 nits lang yung brightness ni Realme Narzo 30A. Since naka-quarantine pa naman tayo, lagi ka pa naman nasa loob ng bahay. And wag kang maglaro sa tapat ng araw. Pupunta ka na lang sa medyo malilim na lugar. And dahil IPS din yung display niya, nakakatulong din to para mas makapagtipid ng battery si Realme Narzo 30A. And lastly for the cons is yung bigat niya. And I think factor na dito yung battery niya. Daw di naman ganun gaano ka big deal yung bigat. Pero medyo nagulat lang ako kasi to compare sa mga phones na hawakan ko, medyo may kabigatan si Realme Narzo 30A. To sum up, if you are looking for a smartphone that won't cost you too much with impressive camera and a smartphone for your gaming needs, Realme Narzo 30A is for you. The Limitless Gaming Monster. If you have questions regarding Realme Narzo 30A na hindi natin natalakay within this video, feel free to comment down below, and if you have any suggestion or comments, okay lang, sige go. And also, if you like the video, please give me a thumbs up, and if you like the content of this channel, please do subscribe and hit the notification bell to be updated para sa mga future videos pa na i-release natin. Once again, this is me, Al Palangka. Thank you for watching and see you on my next video.